What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Ayala by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, when you get done, jump in the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's great for all skill levels. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel and checking out the content. Also, all the equipment that I use in the videos is linked down there as well. So if you're interested in that, you want to see like the kind of stuff that I'm using to make these videos, that's all in the description as well. So when you get done, check all that out. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is pretty simple. It's just the same 4 chords over and over again. Your first chord is going to be an A minor. That's going to be your index finger on your first fret on your B string, your middle finger on your second fret on your D string, and your ring finger on your second fret on your G string. Second chord is going to be a G. I switch from the A minor to the G this way. It's going to be ring finger on your third fret on your low E string, middle finger on your second fret on your A string, and then your pinky finger on your third fret on your high E string. Your third chord's an E minor. It's going to be your middle finger on your second fret on your A string and your ring finger on your second fret on your D string. Then your final chord's an F. I play this with my index finger on my first fret on my B string, middle finger on second fret on G string, ring finger on third fret on A string, and pinky finger on third fret on D string. And I kind of use my thumb. If you can grab the first fret right there with your thumb, you can do that on your low E, but if not, just kind of mute it. Now there is a little picking part, like in between the notes in the middle of the song. I'll show you what that is. So it's A and then G, and then before you switch to your E minor, the little picking part is, that's your index finger on your third fret on your B string, and then you hammer on, so pick. And then don't pick again, but press hard with your ring finger on your 5th fret on the same B string. And then pull off. Keep your index finger on the 3rd fret and then pull off quickly, and it'll give you that sound. See, I'm only picking once, but it's technically 3 notes. And then 4th fret on your G string. So it looks like. Then you go E minor, then your F, and then there's another little picking part, little riff picking part right there, and all that is same concept, but you're going open E, hammer on with your index finger on the 1st fret on the E string, and then pull off. That's one pick, so on, off, and then the 1st fret on the B string. So from the E minor, it looks like, it's pretty quick. So I'll play the whole thing slowly, and you can just strum single strums right here. If you're going to do the picking part, that's probably the easiest way to do it at first. Just single strum the chords and try and throw the picking part in between, so it'll look like this. That's really slow compared to the speed of the actual song, but practice it that slowly, and then you can speed up as you get better and better at it. Now, if you don't want to do that little picking part, you can just strum through the song. The easiest way to do that would be, the strumming pattern I use is a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So slowly that looks like this. Down, down, up, down, and I'm switching on that down, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Again, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below before you leave. Also, any questions or comments, concerns, or any other songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave all that in the comments section below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you guys in the next video.